Hello, Herman Miller Embody fans. Today, we've got a surprise for you. Many users face the dilemma of torn and stained seat fabric and have no idea what to do. Rest assured, OfficeLogic Shop got you covered. In this simple tutorial, we'll show you how to replace your office chair's fabric easily. Let's go! Start by flipping the chair on its back for more convenience. Remove the hooks from the seat's front latches. Remove the seat's fabric as per the video by starting from the seat's front. This is the worn fabric, which you don't need anymore. Replace the one-way plastic rail attachments. Note how the old one-way attachments are broken and can't be used anymore. Make sure that those small holes are also connected to the plastic part. This is the part where you need to ensure the cleanliness of the seat. It's advised to leave no trace of dust prior to moving on to the next step. With the cushion facing down, install the seat's new fabric. To replace it correctly, the wider side of the fabric should be facing the seat's front side. Flip the edges according to the demonstration and start mounting. The clicking sounds indicate that the pins are being placed correctly. Flip the edges to hook the clips as well. Finally, insert the hooks into the seat's front latches as demonstrated. That's it. This is how you can easily change your Herman Miller Embody seats fabric. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get our latest videos and visit our website, OfficeLogixShop.com, to view our office chairs collection and replacement parts.